wazazi wameshikanare, eti penzi letu tuisare, lakini baby usijale, kesi tutajibu baadaye. You see I love you so perfect. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Robert and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Kesi Badaye by Nviiri. Someone requested that I do this song, so here it is. It's kind of an advanced song, but I've simplified it in this tutorial, so if you're a beginner you still can attempt this. Well, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So the song is in the key of A, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to play it in the key of G. Though you still can, whatever chord that I'm going to show you, you still can transpose them and play them in the key of A. The reason I'm showing you how to play in the key of G rather than A is because I might illustrate with singing, and today for some reason I'm unable to sing in the key of A. So the progression is 6, 5, 4, 1, and 3. So the 6 is E minor chord, the 5 is a D chord, the 4 is a C major chord, the 1 is a G chord, and the 3 is a B minor chord. So I will, one thing maybe to mention before we start is the song in the record is I think Nviiri plays it in the guitar is tuned, the strings aren't tuned standardly, because I tried to play it, you know, with the standard. I tried all, you know, like all combinations of chords, but it couldn't sound as his. So I think he's playing on a different tuning of the guitar. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to play it in the standard tuning of the guitar. So we'll start off with the E minor. So I'll show you a simple picking pattern that you can use. But you don't have to stick to this picking pattern. You still can add, you know, some like variations and some embellishment to make it sound good. So E minor. So the intro, so I am picking with my thumb, my pointer finger, and my middle finger. So my thumb is picking string number 5 and 4, counting from up, string 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So string 4, string 5 and 4 with my thumb. Then my pointer finger picks string number 3, and my middle finger string number 2. So that's the first like part of the picking pattern. So the other parts that I'm picking with my thumb on string number 3, and my middle finger plucks or pulls string number 1. So from top, then you can finish off with string number 5, and then slide from the C chord. So well, yes, you will slide from the C chord. So the E chord, I'm barring this is the 7th fret with my pointer finger, then my middle finger string number 2 on the 8th fret, my ring finger string number 4 on the 9th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 9th fret. So that's the E minor chord. So you will just hold the E minor chord and pick as I've shown you. So the other part is you are sliding from C to D. So well, this is how I'm holding the C. I am barring string number 3, string number 4, 3 and 2 with my ring finger, and then my pointer finger I am playing, or rather pressing on the 5th string on this. This is the 3rd fret. So 3rd fret with my pointer finger, and then my ring finger is on the 5th fret. So that's C chord. So I'm picking with my 2 fingers string number 2 and 3, and then my thumb string number 5. So you pluck and slide, pluck and slide to chord D. So on chord D, I will pick string number, with my thumb I'll pluck string number 5 and 4, and then with my pointer finger string number 3, and my middle finger string number 2. So after you after you play that picking, you now play D major 7. So D major 7, I'm barring the 5th fret with my pointer finger from string 1 to string number 5, and then my middle finger string number 2 on the 6th fret, and my ring finger string number 4 on the 7th fret. So this is D major 7. So it's kind of a passing chord in this progression. So the 5, D, then you just pluck, pluck string number 2 and 3 with your pointer and middle finger, and then your thumb string number 5, and play C chord. So you can strum C chord first, and then you pick. So on that part, you just play like that, and then on the picking on this 4 chord, which is C chord, so you will pick the same pattern where you're playing with your thumb string number 5 and 4, and then with your index finger, the pointer finger and the middle finger, you playing string number 3 and 2. So you play 3 and 2. So but now in this chord, you're gonna sustain, or you're gonna play like a whole measure. Before you move to the G chord and the B minor chord. So you can just play that picking pattern as is 4 times. Or you can play, you can vary and on some, just play the bass notes. You can try and just vary it. So from the C chord, you play the G chord. So on the G chord, still you'll maintain the picking pattern where you will use your thumb to pluck, or to pluck string number 6 and 5. 6 and 5 with your thumb, and then string number 3 and 2 with your pointer and middle finger. So you play string number 6 and 5 with your thumb, then 3 and 2 with your pointer and middle finger, and then you can add also, you can play it the 2 and 3, I mean the 3 and 2 you can play twice. And then finally on the 3 chord, which is the B minor chord, so on holding the B minor chord, I am barring with my pointer finger 2nd fret, barring string 1 to 5, and then my middle finger on string number 2 3rd fret, my ring finger string number 4 on the 4th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 4th fret. So this is the minor chord. I will still maintain the picking pattern where I will play string number 5 and 4 with my thumb, and then 3 and 2 with my pointer and middle finger, and then you can finish off with you can add that 3 and 2 again. So all together it should sound like so.
Wazazi wameshikanare, eti penzi letu limetare, lakini baby usijale, kesi tutajibu baadaye. Wazazi wameshikanare, eti penzi letu tuisare, lakini baby usijale, kesi tutajibu baadaye.
So you can okay, the song is that progression from start to end. So of course, you know, add on some variations as you play, so that you know, the sound, the song doesn't sound very, the guitar doesn't sound very redundant. So you can, there are those parts where you can add some strums.
You see, I love you so perfect.
You see, you just add those you know, those variations and embellishments, so that it can sound good and also not very redundant. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Well, subscribe if you don't want to miss any more of these tutorials, future tutorials. And also, if you have any question or any you know, if I wasn't clear anywhere, you can let me know in the comment area. So with that guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.